आज हम बात करेंगे टैक्सेशन पार्ट 3 के बारे में। पार्ट 3 को शुरू करने से पहले एक फैक्ट की ओर जाते हैं। वो फैक्ट है,
आज जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है टैक्सेशन।
देयर आर 5 केसेस।
टैक्सेशन को पढ़ने से पहले हम
असेसमेंट आता है, ठीक है ना। प्रीवियस ईयर में क्या होता है, उसमें एक एसएससी जो है वो अर्न करता है इनकम, जबकि असेसमेंट
क्या होता है,
मैंडेटरी फी, उसमें एसेस किया जाता है
मैंडेटरी फी,
ठीक है ना।
और देयर आर 5 केसेस वायर चार्जड बाय एनी गवर्नमेंट ऑन एन इंडिविजुअल और एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन
and assessment is done in same year.
The mandatory fee or financial charges charged by any government on an individual or an organization to collect revenue for
where
public
income
welfare
earned
is
and
called
assessment
tax.
is done in same year. Number पहला है,
Thus, tax is a
shipping
compulsory
business.
payment to be made by every resident of India.
Shipping business,
The cost of living in a society is called tax.
shipping business
The
income
money
of
collected
non-resident
under the
ship
taxation
owners,
system is
ठीक है ना।
put
पहला
into
केस
use
क्या है,
for
जहाँ पे
country's development through several projects
और
and
assessment
schemes.
सेम ईयर में की जाती है। पहला है shipping business income, shipping business income of
तो आप याद
non-resident
रखिएगा,
ship
primary
owners.
source of revenue
दूसरा
to the
है in
government
case of
is tax.
persons
So
living
this means आप
India,
याद रखो, what is the primary source of
in
revenue
case
to
of
the
persons
government
living
इसका
India.
सही जवाब है। Thus, what is the primary source of revenue to government?
तो उसके बाद है assessment of any association of persons,
Income tax
body
was
of
introduced
individuals
first time in India.
or
in which year?
artificial
Yeah, in which year?
judicial
Income tax was
persons
first introduced in
formed or
India.
established only for a limited
Income
period,
tax
ठीक है ना।
act
ये भी एक
was
केस बन
passed in
सकता
which
है।
year? So 1961.
तो
Income tax year which was passed in
तो आपने याद
1961 came
रखूंगा
into force in which
भाइयों,
year?
ऐसे केसेस होते हैं या कुछ ऐसे केसेस बताओ जिसमें जहाँ पे इनकम अर्न और असेसमेंट एक ही साल में की जाती है। पहला है
broadly we have two types of tax, that is direct tax and indirect tax.
शिपिंग बिजनेस इनकम। पहला क्या है,
The
शिपिंग
tax
बिजनेस
which
इनकम
is
ऑफ
paid
नॉन
directly by the
रेजिडेंट
taxpayer to the government
शिपिंग
is called
बिजनेस
the
इनकम
direct
ऑफ
tax.
नॉन
This
रेजिडेंट
means what
शिप
is direct tax? The tax
दूसरा
paid
है इन
directly
केस
by
ऑफ
the taxpayer
पर्सन्स
to the
लिविंग
government
इंडिया।
is called
नेक्स्ट है
direct
असेसमेंट ऑफ
tax.
एनी एसोसिएशन ऑफ पर्सन्स, बॉडी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स और आर्टिफिशियल
Thus, the
जुडिशियल
tax paid
पर्सन्स
directly
फॉर्मड
by
और
the person on whom the tax
फॉर
is
ए
imposed
लिमिटेड
is called direct
पीरियड।
tax. So
उसके
this
बाद है
means
इन केस ऑफ
the
डिसकंटिन्यूड
tax paid
बिजनेस, ठीक है ना। यहाँ पे
directly
भी
by the person on whom
असेसमेंट
it is
और
imposed is called direct tax.
असेसमेंट और अर्निंग
Give the examples of,
सेम
तो आपने याद रखना
साल में की जाती हैं।
पहले आपने याद रखना होगा।
तो उसके बाद आपने याद रखना
Give
होगा
the examples of direct
हेड्स
tax.
ऑफ इनकम के बारे
ठीक है
में।
ना, give the examples of direct tax.
पहले
तो
हम
इसके
बात
लिए
करेंगे
आपने याद
इनकम
रखना
टैक्स
होगा।
के बारे में।
Give the examples of direct tax.
Everyone who earns
तो
or gets an income in India is
इसके लिए
subject
आपने
to
याद
income
रखना होगा।
tax। तो आपने रखना पहले everyone income tax में पहले आप याद रखें everyone who earns or gets an
Examples
income in
of
India is subjected to income
Direct
tax.
tax, ठीक है ना।
Income can be salary, pension or saving in account that is quickly accumulating 4%
क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, give the examples of
इवन विनर्स ऑफ केबीसी
give the
कौन बनेगा
examples of
करोड़पति
direct tax, ठीक है ना।
इनकम
तो
टैक्स
इसमें
इज
आपने पहले याद
ठीक है
रखना
ना।
होगा income
इनकम
tax.
टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट तो आप
Wealth
याद रखोगा
tax, ठीक है ना, इसमें आता है
इनकम टैक्स इज
wealth
डायरेक्ट
tax,
टैक्स
ठीक है ना।
which the
तो आप याद रखना
government
होगा, give the
charges on
examples
the
of
income of a
direct
person.
tax.
Direct
important
tax is
question
a
है।
progressive in nature.
Give the examples of direct
income
tax. इसका सिर्फ
income does
tax,
not only mean
wealth
money
tax,
earned in the form of
corporate
salary.
tax,
There are
property
other
tax,
sources of income also such
capital
as
gains
income
tax. So
from
this give the examples of
giving house on
direct
rent,
tax,
income
इसका
from sale of
wealth
assets,
tax, corporate tax,
ठीक है ना,
property tax,
interest
capital gains tax,
etc. Majorly there
So
are
the
5
tax
heads
on
of
an
income. तो आपने याद
individual,
रखोगा
तो
the income
आपने
tax
on an
department
individual's company
classifies
or
income into 5 heads. तो आपने याद रखोगा
the tax on an individual,
the income tax department
or companies earning,
classifies income into
corporate
5
tax क्या है,
heads.
the
ठीक
tax
है ना।
on
पहला क्या है,
companies profits. So this
income
means
from
corporate
salary.
tax, the tax
दूसरा है
which is
income
charged
from
on
house property.
the company's profit. तो आपने
तीसरा है
tax which
income
is
from
charged on
capital gains.
individuals or companies earning is called इसमें income
Fourth one is
tax.
income from business and profession. Fifth one is
the
income
tax
from
which is
other
charged
sources. तो
on
आपने याद रखोगा
on company's
name the
profits. So this means
5 heads of
the
income.
tax which is
तो आपने name
charged
the 5
on
heads
the
of
profits
income
of
या
the
what are the
company is
5 heads of
corporate
income
tax.
इसका सही जवाब है
The tax which is charged on land or buildings only
salary
is called
head। तो
property
आपने याद
tax.
रखोगा शॉर्ट में salary head
tax which is
house head
charged on
salary
net
head
wealth
house head
is
capital
called
head
wealth tax. The tax which
provision
is charged
head,
on profit
other
from
sources
sales of
head. तो
assets
आपने
like
पहला
shares or
salary
property,
head,
shares or property is
house
called
head,
capital gains tax.
तो आपने पहला क्या है,
तो उसके बाद हम टैक्स डायरेक्ट
there are
टैक्स
5 heads of income that
पढ़ेंगे,
is salary head
डायरेक्ट टैक्स के फीचर्स
house
पढ़ेंगे
head
हम।
capital head profession head other sources head. तो this means
तो
income
आपने
from
याद रखना
salary,
इसके लिए
income from house property, income
डायरेक्ट
from
टैक्स में
capital
फीचर
gains,
क्या है पहला,
income
it is
from business and
direct tax is
profession,
charged on income,
income
ठीक है
from
ना?
other
The
sources.
direct tax
It
is
means
charged on
income from salary head,
the
income from
direct
house
tax is
property,
progressive in nature, ठीक है
house
ना?
head,
The direct
income from capital
tax
gain
is charged on the same person who bears the burden of tax. That is, the burden of direct tax cannot be shifted. So this means
income from other sources.
Direct tax is charged on the same person who bears the burden of tax. उसके बाद आपने याद रखूंगा, that is the burden of direct tax cannot be shifted.
तो
it is progressive in nature. So
उसके बाद आपने याद रखूंगा इसमें
nature.
Heads are five, while as sources can be numerous.
Pays a direct tax to government for different purposes, including real property tax,
income from salary, that is salary head,
property tax, personal property tax, income tax, tax on assets, gift tax, capital gains tax.
Income from salary, pension,
taxpayer in case of direct
deposits,
tax, a taxpayer pays a direct tax to government for different purposes, including real property tax,
ठीक है ना,
personal property tax, income tax, tax on assets, gift tax, capital gains tax,
salary, pension,
direct tax.
Gratuity.
The direct tax is administered
from
by
house
बहुत
property.
important question है.
तो आप याद रखना, the income from salary can be salary, pension,
the direct tax is
PF,
administered
gratuity.
by.
Income from house property क्या हो सकते हैं? The income from house property is earned by SSC.
CBDT stands for
from his
Central
property.
Board
Income
of
from house property क्या है?
Taxes. तो आपने रखा
the income from house property. The income from
stands for
तो आपने रखा
Central
the
Board
income
of
earned
Direct
by
Taxes.
SSC from his property
उसके
is
बाद हम
called
बात करेंगे indirect
income
tax के बारे
from
में.
house property, ठीक है ना? तो आपने याद रखा
The collection method of indirect tax is little bit
income from
different.
salary है,
Indirect
income
tax
from
or
house
consumption
property
based.
है, income from capital gains है, income from
taxes
business
or
and profession है,
consumption based.
income from other source है. तो इसमें
that
पहला
are
salary
applied
है,
to goods and
दूसरा है
services when they are brought and sold. This means
house,
the indirect tax or consumption
तो आपने
based
याद
that
रखना
are
पहले,
applied. So this means the indirect tax
income
and the
from
indirect
income
tax
from
or consumption based.
income from
Thus, indirect
income from
taxes are applied
salary,
or charged
salary
on
head, income from
goods
house
and
property, that's
services when
property
they are
head,
brought and
income
sold.
from capital gains,
Thus
that's
means
capital head,
the person
income
on whom
from
the tax
business
is
and profession,
imposed,
that is profession
तो
head,
आपने याद रखूंगा.
income from other sources, that is other source head.
In case of
income
indirect tax,
from
the
salary,
person
that is it
on
can be
whom
salary, pension,
tax is imposed recovers the amount from other
income from
persons
salary,
and
salary,
then pays
it
to
can be
government.
salary,
This means
pension,
the
PF, gratuity.
collection method is bit different. Indirect tax or consumption
income from
based
house property,
that are
the
charged
income earned by
for
the
goods and
SSC
services
from
when
his
they are
property,
brought and
ठीक है
sold.
ना?
The indirect
Income
tax
from
is
capital
received by the
gains,
government
income
from the seller,
earned
ठीक
by
है ना?
SSC
Seller of goods. The
from the
indirect
sale of
tax,
capital
the
assets,
indirect
shares.
tax is received
Income from
by the
business and
government
profession.
from the seller of
The
goods
income
and services,
earned
while
by
the seller
self-employed
in
persons,
turn
for example,
passes the
doctor,
tax burden on the user or
LIC
buyer
agents,
of the
lawyers,
goods and
etc.
services. Thus, indirect tax. Thus, in case of indirect tax,
income from other
the end user of
sources,
goods or services
income from
does
other
not pay
sources,
the
it
tax
can be
directly to the government.
FD interest, saving interest. तो आपने याद रखना इसके लिए
the burden of तो आपने याद रखना
income from
the
income from other sources, it can be
received
fixed
by the
deposit
government from the
interest,
seller
saving
of goods and
interest,
services,
lottery income,
while the seller
dividend
in turn
income,
passes
etc.
the tax burden on the user or buyer of the goods and services. This means the burden
उसके
of
बाद
the
आपने याद
indirect
रखना
tax
तो इसमें आप
can be shifted.
फिर से
ठीक है
याद
ना?
रख सकते हैं आप
The indirect tax is
income
charged
from
on
salary
products
क्या
or
है,
services.
salary, pension,
The indirect tax are
PF,
regressive in
gratuity.
nature. तो आपने the indirect
income from
tax are
house property
regressive
क्या
in
है,
nature.
the income earned by SSC from his property, ठीक है ना?
The indirect tax
property
are
है,
regressive in
पहला है
nature.
salary, इतनी salary है, बने property इतनी बने ये बने
तो,
capital, ठीक है ना?
the indirect
capital
tax
इतनी
is
बने ये बने
administered by
profession बने other
CBIC. तो आपने याद
sources.
रखना the indirect tax
तो,
or administered by CBIC.
इसके लिए आपने याद
CBIC
रखना होगा
stands for Central Board of Central
five
Board of
heads of income है.
Indirect
How
tax
income tax charges
and
tax
customs.
in
तो आपने
India.
याद रखना
तो आपने how income
CBIC
tax
stands for
charges.
Central Board of
तो आपने याद रखना
Indirect Tax and Customs. The indirect tax
तो आपने
is
पहला
also known as consumption
पहला
tax.
income head
The indirect
income
tax is
tax
also
department
known
is
as
classified income into
consumption
five
tax.
heads. पहला है income from salary, that salary or pension.
उसके बाद आपने याद
income from
रखना features
income
of
from
indirect tax. Payment and tax
income
load.
from
The service
पहला क्या है
provider
income
makes
from
the payment
salary,
of
दूसरा है
तो आपने
income
कहा,
from housing
payment
property,
and
ठीक है
tax
ना?
load,
जिसमें जिसकी
feature
salary
है,
आए,
features of
house
indirect tax,
property
कौन
थी
कौन
बने
से
बने
आपने
tax.
give the
ये बने
features of
capital,
indirect
ठीक है ना?
tax
गवर्नमेंट क्या होगा income
payment
from
and
salary,
tax
दो
load,
क्या होगा
liability of tax,
house property, ठीक है
regressive
ना?
in nature,
income from house
evasion,
property, गवर्नमेंट आए
evasion,
as per income head.
investment and savings, social coverage,
बनो property,
tax on
house
commodity
property,
and services are the
then कैसे
features of
बनो
indirect
capital,
tax.
house
आइए इनके
property
बारे
बने
में बात
capital,
करते हैं.
capital इसी बने ये बने business profession.
पहली फीचर
Impact
पहला
बना other
फीचर जो
sources.
इंडायरेक्ट टैक्स का है वो है पेमेंट एंड टैक्स लोड. The
How
service
income
provider,
tax is
the
charged?
service provider
तो आपने
makes the
कहा,
payment
how
of
income
indirect
tax
tax and
charges
transport
tax in India.
and
Tax system of
transport to
India
the
follows
ends. तो
income
आपने
tax slabs.
features of
तो आपने कहा,
indirect tax में
system
पहला है
of India
payment and tax load.
follows.
The
तो
service
आपने याद रखना
provider
इसके लिए,
makes
the
the
tax
payment of indirect taxes.
system of
This
India.
means
The tax system
the
of
service
India
provider
follows income
makes the
tax
payment
slabs
of indirect
for
tax. तो आपने
charging the tax
indirect
on
tax
its
are paid by
income
the
of an
service
individual
provider
or
and is
non-individual.
transport to the
Different tax
final
rates applied to different ranges of
consumer.
income, which is called income tax slabs. So this
Liability
means
of tax.
the
Here the
different
seller or
tax
the service
rates
provider makes
applied
the
to
payment of
different
indirect
ranges of
tax, which
income
is transport to
is
final
called income
users.
tax slab. So this means
Regress in nature. The indirect tax are
the
regress in
different
nature.
tax rates applied to
Evasion
different
is
ranges of
important
income.
feature of
बहुत important
indirect
question
tax.
है.
That's
The
indirect
different
tax are
tax
hard
rate
to
is
evade
applied
due to direct
different ranges of
implementation.
income.
Due to direct
The
implementation
different tax rate
through
is
goods and
applied to
services.
different
Investment and
ranges of
savings.
income
एक और feature है
is
indirect
called
tax का.
income tax
Investment
slabs
and savings.
or
Most
block.
indirect tax are largely
The
growth
slabs of
oriented. तो आपने
income
को most
tax changes from year to year.
indirect
तो आपने
taxes
कहा, the
are
slabs
largely growth oriented.
the slabs
Since
of
they
slabs
they
of
demotivate the
the
consumer
slabs of
and
income tax
encourage savings.
changes
तो आपने
from
कहा,
year to year.
investment and savings is the feature of indirect tax. That is most indirect
That is
taxes
slab
are largely
ratio.
growth oriented.
Slab rates. So
Since
आपने
they
कहा,
demotivate
the slabs या the
consumer
slab
and
rates of
encourage
income
the
tax
savings.
changes. तो आपने कहा, the
Social
slabs or
coverage.
slab
Social
rates
coverage
of
is
income
another
tax
important feature
changes
of
from
indirect
year to
tax.
year.
The indirect tax has much
Age
large coverage.
less than
Since
60
their
years.
charge falls upon each
तो आपने
individual
कहा,
buying products and
age
services.
less
So this
than
means
60 years.
the indirect tax,
income tax. तो आपने कहा,
social coverage,
income
important
tax
feature of
slab
indirect
is एक
tax.
side में,
The
दूसरी
indirect
side
tax
में
has much large coverage.
individuals below the age of 60 years.
तो आपने कहा, the indirect tax has
यम
much large
शर्ट बुन आसन.
social
अगर
coverage.
एक
Since their
शख्स
charges fall
शर्ट
upon
और
each
बुन
individual buying products or services.
income ची मिसाल
The
के तौर पर
indirect
मेश
tax or
income
tax on commodity and
1 is 10
services.
is 100,000 10 is lakh. This means
तो उसके
मेश
बाद हम
income
बात
2
करते
लाख
हैं
because
कुछ
which is under
important
60
topics के बारे में.
मेश
SSC.
nil interest कैश में
SSC
दें
किसको हम
nil
कहते हैं?
interest.
The person who pays tax or
अगर मैं
any sum.
2 लाख पे
The person who pays tax
5 लाख
or
का
any sum of money under
5%
the provision of Income Tax
this
Act
means
1961. तो आपने
individual is below the age of
person
60
who pays
years.
tax
There is
or any
me-
sum of money
me.
under the Income Tax Act
अगर मैं 2 लाख
1961 is called
then
SSC.
interest zero.
Which means taxpayer.
अगर एम पास में 2 लाख पे 5
Taxpayer
लाख
as per
तामत
Income
पास में
Tax
दिन
Act
5%
1961 is called SSC.
यथा
ठीक है
कोई
ना?
5 लाख पे 10% तामत
SSC covers every person who have been assessed for his
nil
or
interest
her income. So
because this
SSC
is
क्या है?
I'm
It
below
covers
60 years
every person who has been assessed for
2
his
लाख
or
to
her
5
income.
लाख तामत में दिन 5% एम पास में दिन
There are
5 लाख पे 10%
there are
10
three
लाख
types of
तामत
SSCs.
2%
There
यथा
are
कोई
three types of
10 लाख
SSCs.
दिन
That is
3%.
normal SSC, deemed SSC. तो आपने
कैटेगरीज तो आपने
SSCs के कितने types हैं?
कैटेगरीज ऑफ इंडिविजुअल
तीन
एज
types
पर
हैं. पहला
इनकम
क्या है?
टैक्स एक्ट
तो आपने
कैटेगरीज ऑफ
पहला क्या
इंडिविजुअल
है?
एज
normal
पर
SSC, types of SSC. ठीक है ना? तो
कैटेगरीज
आपने
ऑफ
SSC किसको कहते हैं?
इंडिविजुअल
The
एज पर
income
इनकम
tax,
टैक्स
income tax assessor.
Yeah,
SSC
the
is a
categories of
person who
persons
pays the
as
tax
per
or any
Income
sum
Tax
of money
Act.
under the provision of
Categories
Income
of
Tax Act
individual as per
1961.
Income
So this
Tax
means
Act.
taxpayer is called
Individuals
SSC.
having
There are
age
three
less than
types of
60
SSC.
years
That is normal
the
SSC,
normal
deemed
citizen
SSC,
क्या हुई
and
normal
default
citizen
SSC.
individuals having
पहला
age
है
less than
normal
60
SSC.
years is called a normal citizen
Normal
individuals
SSC किसको
having
कहते
age
हैं?
between 60 years
The
and 80
person
years
liable
is
to
called
pay
senior
tax on
citizen
behalf of themselves on
individuals
amount
having
of
age
income
more than 80 years
earned
is
by
called
them. So this means
super
what is normal
senior
SSC आपने
citizen
देखना.
तो आपने याद
An
होगा
individual who is liable to pay taxes for the
as
income
per
earned
income
during the
tax
financial
act
year.
तो
So
आपने
normal
as
SSC
per
क्या है?
income tax act
Normal SSC
individuals
हमको-
having
हम
age
इसको हम
less
income
than 60
SSC
years
कह
are
सकते
called
हैं.
as normal
ठीक है ना?
citizens
So this
as
means,
per Income
तो
Tax
आपने
Act
देखना,
individuals
normal SSC can
having
also be
age
called as
between
income SSC
60 years to
because
80 years
an
are
individual
called
who is
senior
liable to
citizens.
pay liable to pay
Individuals
taxes
having
for the
as per
income earned
income
during
tax
the
act
financial
individuals
year.
having age more than
So
80
this
years
means
is called
normal
super
SSC
senior
क्या है? The
citizens
person
तो आपने
liable
देखा,
to pay tax on
normal
behalf of
citizen is equal
themselves
to
on
60
amount
years
of
or
income
less than
earned by
60
themselves.
years तो
Normal
normal
SSC is
citizen
also
is equal
called
to
as
less than
income
60 years
SSC.
senior citizen is equal to 60 years to 80 years super
उसके
senior
बाद आपने
citizen
याद
is equal
रखना
to more
होगा
than 80 years
नॉर्मल एसएससी में एन इंडिविजुअल हु इज लायबल टू पे टैक्सेस. ठीक है ना? नॉर्मल एसएससी किसको कहते हैं हम? एन इंडिविजुअल हु इज लायबल टू पे टैक्सेस फॉर द इनकम.
उसके बाद है
ड्यूरिंग अ फाइनेंशियल ईयर.
बिटवीन 60 to 80 years दैट सीनियर सिटीजंस के लिए टैक्स स्लैब क्या है? पहले मैंने टैक्स स्लैब कौन सा पढ़ा?
इज कॉल्ड नॉर्मल एसएससी. तो दिस मींस
पहले मैंने
नॉर्मल एसएससी
टैक्स स्लैब पढ़ा जो
एन इंडिविजुअल
लेस
हु इज
देन
लायबल
60
टू पे
years
टैक्सेस
ढाई
फॉर द
लाख
इनकम
जीरो
अर्नड ड्यूरिंग अ फाइनेंशियल
ढाई
ईयर.
लाख पे 5 लाख
individual who has earned any income or loss incurred during the previous financial year or liable to pay tax to the government in the current financial year.
share to sheath where क्या छ
normal assessment. This means an individual who is liable to pay taxes
तो आपने याद
for the
होगा
income
पहले
earned during a financial year. Every individual, and
तो
thus
आपने
means
याद
normal
if a
assessment can also
normal
be called
person
as
या if
income
a normal
assessment.
citizen
income SSC. The normal SSC can also be called as income
has
SSC.
अगर एक normal
Every individual who
if a
has earned
normal
an
person
income or loss
as per income tax
incurred
act
during
if
the
a
previous
normal
financial
person
year are
has
liable to pay tax to the government
income
in the current
income
financial
tax
year.
slab
उसके
of
बाद है deemed
2,50,000 his interest
Deemed
will
SSC
be
is a
nil.
person who is liable to
If a
pay on
person-
behalf of someone else.
if a
So this
person
means
has
deemed
this
SSC,
means
a deemed
it is
SSC,
nafras एक
or the
normal
persons
citizen
who are liable to
अगर
pay
ढाई
on
लाख
behalf of
शासन
someone
zero
else. So this means a
in zero interest
deemed SSC
अगर
is
मैं
a
ढाई
type
लाख
of
पे
SSC
5
who
लाख
is
तम
liable to pay on behalf of someone else as a legal representative.
2%
As a
अबो
legal
10 लाख
representative.
20%.
This means a
ऐसा
person
कोई
may not be
income
liable
tax slab
only
or
for his own
senior
income
citizen
or
senior
loss,
citizen
but also
3 लाख
income or
zero
loss of
interest
other person. तो
3 लाख पे
deemed
5 लाख
SSC को
goes
हम
5%
other
ऐसा
SSC
बुड
भी
goes
कह
5
सकते
लाख पे
हैं.
10
Deemed SSC can also be called as other
अबो
SSC
10 लाख
because
30%.
a person may not be liable only for his income or loss.
Income tax slab
deemed SSC
for
can also
age
be called
more
as
than
other
80 years,
person
that is
SSC
super
because
senior citizen.
a person may
Up
not
to
be
5
liable
lakh
only
new-
for his income.
up to above 5 लाख
A person may not only be
above 10 लाख 3%.
may not only be liable for his own income or loss, but also on the income or loss of others.
तो आपने
Such
कहा,
persons are called representative
income tax
SSCs. So
slab
this means
old versus
the
new.
deemed SSCs are
तो
also
आपने
called as
कहा,
representative
income
SSCs.
tax slab old versus new up to 2 लाख nil new regimes में
Deemed SSCs can be
2 लाख
eldest
पे 5
son
लाख
or
5%
legal heir of
5%
deceased person
5
who
लाख
has
पे
expired without
7
writing
लाख
will. तो आपने कहा
5
deemed SSCs में क्या होगा? Representative
old
SSCs,
regimes
deemed
2%
SSCs, deemed
new regimes
SSC
10%.
can be an eldest son.
7 लाख पे
Deemed
10 लाख
SSC can be an
10%
eldest
old
son
regimes
or a legal
new
heir
regimes
of
15%.
deceased person who has expired without writing will.
यथा पॉइंट above 15 लाख
तो
above
उसके बाद आपने याद
15 लाख 3% दुश्मनी में
उसके
बाद है
में फॉर एग्जांपल
taxation
लीगल
part
हायर ऑफ
4.
डिजीज पर्सन गार्डियन ऑफ ए मर्नर सवाल इस तरह से हैं गिव द
इसमें हम
एग्जांपल ऑफ
पढ़ेंगे
डीम्ड
computation of
लीगल
taxable
हायर ऑफ
income,
डिजीज
various
पर्सन
deductions,
एल्डेस्ट सन
curbing
ऑफ
of
पर्सन
income, debate,
डिजीज
US
पर्सन ठीक है
87A,
लीगल हायर ऑफ डिजीज पर्सन
set off,
गार्डियन
carry
ऑफ ए
off,
माइनर
forward of
एजेंट
losses.
ऑफ एनआरआई receiving income from India. तो आपने डीम्ड गिव द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ डीम्ड एसएससी इसमें लीगल हायर ऑफ
how to
डिजीज
calculate income on which
सन ऑफ
tax
डिजीज
is to be
पर्सन गार्डियन ऑफ ए
calculated.
माइनर एजेंट ऑफ एनआरआई
how to calculate income on which tax is to be calculated. पहला है
SSC in default.
पहला
The
step क्या
person
है
who
इसमें
has failed to
aggregation
pay the
of
tax on time is called
SCPHO. तो आपने बोला
SSC in default.
name the
ठीक है
5
ना?
heads of
उसके
income
बाद
as per
कहते हैं हम
income tax
person.
act इसको
उसके बाद है person.
SCPHO
There are 7 types of persons under the Income Tax Act 1961. तो आपने याद रखोगा there are 7 types of persons under the Income Tax
SCPHO stands for
Act
तो आपने याद रखना इसके
1961.
लिए
There are how many
SCPHO
types of persons
stands for S for salary,
Income
P
Act,
for property,
Income Tax Act 1961 is 7
SE,
persons. Name the 7 persons.
SEC,
Name the 7 types of persons under Income Tax Act 1961. इसके साथ individual
SECHO
HUF that is Hindu United Family HUF.
S for salary
Third पहला है individual
profession,
number so there are 7
SPH,
types of persons.
H for house
Name the
property,
7 types of persons as per Income Tax
CO,
Act
तो आपने
1961. इसका सही है
ये छोड़ो आप
number
उसके
1
बाद आपको
individual
याद
number
रखना
2
होगा
HUF that is HUF stands for Hindu United
how to
Family
calculate
number
सवाल है
3rd company number 4 firm
या
number
ये
5 association of persons or body of individuals ठीक है ना
heads of income and salary, house property,
number 1 individual
capital gains,
number
other
2nd
sources, ठीक है ना?
HUF stands for
profession.
Hindu United Family
how to calculate income
number
on which
3rd
tax is to be
number
calculated
4
पहला
firm
है
number 5
SCPHO
association
आप याद रख
of
सकते हैं
persons or body of
SCPHO
individuals
या SHPCO तो आपने
number 6 local
income heads
authority number
कितने हैं?
7 every artificial
SHPCO
judicial person
ठीक है ना?
not covered above ठीक है ना इंडिविजुअल कौन हो सकता है इट कैन बी मेल फीमेल गार्डियन ऑफ ए माइनर लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ डिसीज इंडिविजुअल क्या हो सकता है मेल फीमेल गार्डियन ऑफ ए माइनर लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ डिसीज
शॉप सी
उसके बाद है हिंदू यूनाइटेड
इनकम हेड्स शॉप
हिंदू यूनाइटेड फैमिली HUF स्टैंड्स फॉर हिंदू यूनाइटेड फैमिली
शॉप सी
all members of a family from common
incomes
ancestors
of
so
heads
this means
के लिए
all
abbreviation of
the
the shop
members
C
of a family
SHOP
from common ancestors governed by
how
Hindu
to
law are
calculate
called
income on
Hindu
which tax is
undivided
to be
family so this
calculated
means
पहला है
all the
aggregation
members
of
of a
5 heads of
family
income
from common
दूसरा है clubbing
ancestors
of
governed by
income
Hindu
if
law is called
applicable
Hindu
तीसरा adjustment
undivided
of set
family
off and carry forward of losses चौथा है
the
claiming
members of
deduction
Hindu undivided family are known as
fifth है
co-partners
we will
of
get
the Hindu
net tradable
the
income
members
sixth
of
है adjustment
Hindu
of
undivided family are
rebate
known as
surcharge and cess
तो आपने the members of Hindu
format of computation
undivided
of
family are known
taxable
as
income
co-partners
income from salary income from house
the head
property
of Hindu
income from
undivided family is known as Karta the main
profession,
head of Hindu undivided family is known
income
as
from
Karta
capital
उसके बाद
gains
है
income from
number
other
3
sources
company
ठीक है ना
a juristic
उसके बाद
person
है
who is
plus,
independent
इसको
and
plus
separate
करना है
legal
adjustment of
entity
set
from
off
his shareholders तो आपने
gross total income
कंपनी
ठीक
क्या
है ना
होता है juristic कंपनी क्या होता है?
Curbing of income. Normally a person is taxed in respect of income earned by him.
A juristic person who is
Curbing of income
independent
किसको
and
कहते
separate
हैं?
legal
Normally
entity
a person is taxed
from
in
its
respect of
shareholders.
income earned by
कंपनी
him.
क्या होता है?
However, in certain
A juristic
special
person who is
cases, the
independent
income of
and
other person is
separate.
included. That is curbed.
कंपनी क्या होता है?
And taxable
A
income of
juristic person
taxpayer.
who is independent
In
and
such a
separate
case, he will
legal
be liable to
entity
pay tax in respect
from
of
his
his income as well as the income of other people too. इसको कहते हैं हम curbing of income.
juristic
So this
person
means
who is
curbing of
independent
income
and
में क्या पढ़ना है
separate
आपको?
legal entity
Normally a
from
person,
its
normally a
shareholders.
person
Firm.
is taxed
The
in
persons who
respect of
agree to
income
share
earned by him
profits
only.
or
However, in
collectively
certain
known as firm. Firm
special
क्या होता है?
cases, the income of
तो
other
आपने
persons
company
is
क्या है? A
included, that is
juristic
curbed
person.
in the
A juristic
taxable income of
person
the
who is
taxpayer.
independent and
In
separate
such a
legal
case,
entity
he will be
from
liable
its
to pay
shareholders.
tax. So in curbing of in curbing of
तो
income,
आपने
a
याद रखना,
person
कंपनी
will
क्या
be
है? A
liable to
juristic
pay
person
tax
who
in
is
respect of his
independent.
income as
कंपनी
well as the
किसको
income
कहेंगे
of
हम?
other people too.
A juristic
The
person who is
situation in which the
independent
income
and
of
separate
तो आप याद होंगे इसके लिए
तो आपने याद होगा कंपनी किसको क्या
the situation in which the income of another person is included in the income of taxpayer. बहुत ही important question. The situation in which the income of another person is included in the income of taxpayer is called curbing of income.
legal entity from its shareholders.
Set of
फिर
losses.
किसको हम कहेंगे?
Intra-head.
The persons who agree to share the
Set
profits
of
are
losses.
collectively known as firm.
Set of losses can be
उसके
by
बाद है number
can
6.
be done by
Number 5.
intra-head adjustment
Association of
and
partners.
inter-head
Association of
adjustment.
partners.
Intra-head adjustment.
Association of partners oblique body of individuals.
In
Association
any-
of partners क्या है?
if
Persons
in any
combined
year
together
the
for
taxpayer has
common
incurred
purpose.
loss
Association of partners
from
में क्या
any
है?
source under
The
a particular
persons,
head
तो
of
आपने
income,
The persons
then he is
combined
allowed to
together
adjust
for
such
common
loss
purpose
against
are known
income
as
from any
association of
other
persons.
source
Body
falling
of
under the
individuals
same
क्या है?
head.
Combination
The
of
process
individuals
of
who carry out
adjustment
business
of
for
loss
earning
from a
income.
source under a
And
particular
purpose
head of
may
income
or may not be
against
same. ठीक है ना?
income from other
So
source
this
under the
association
same
of
head of
partners
income
में
is
क्या
called
है?
intra-head
Common purpose है,
adjustment.
लेकिन बॉडी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स में क्या है?
तो
Purpose may or
intra-head
may not be
adjustment
same.
कथ वनो अस
उसके बाद है लोकल अथॉरिटी.
अगर कोई
run
इसमें
and interested by the government.
पहला क्या है? intra-head, उसके बाद है inter-head. ठीक है ना?
Such as municipality, panchayat, district board.
intra-head adjustment.
उसके बाद है artificial persons not covered above. Artificial persons not covered above.
inter-head adjustment.
ठीक है ना? Artificial persons.
गोल्ड क्या से गो
इसमें
अगर
तो
कोई
लोकल अथॉरिटी म्युनिसिपैलिटी भी आ सकते हैं, डिस्ट्रिक्ट बोर्ड भी आ सकते हैं, पंचायत भी आ
सोर्स
सकते
पे
हैं. ठीक है ना?
तो सहस तस
उसके बाद artificial persons not covered above.
बिग क्वीन सोर्स पे
ये भी एक
ठीक है
पर्सन
ना?
है एज पर इनकम टैक्स लॉ.
The process of adjustment
Income
of
tax
loss
act
from a
1961.
source under a particular
Artificial
head of
persons not
income
covered
against
above.
income
Entities
from other
which are
source
not natural
under the same
persons.
head.
Artificial
Under
persons
the
क्या
same
है?
head.
Entities which
Of
are
income.
not
So this
natural
means the process
persons
of
but
adjustment
separate
of
entities
loss
as per law
from a source.
artificial persons
The
not
process
covered
of
above क्या है?
adjustment
Artificial
of
persons,
loss
ठीक है ना?
from a source under a
Entities which
particular
are
head
not
of income
natural
against
persons but separate
income
entities
from
as
other
per
source
law.
under the same head
They
of
can
income
be
is known as
sued
intra-head
through
adjustment. This means
persons
intra-head
managing
adjustment
them, ठीक है
means
ना?
same source
they can be
same
sued,
source same source ठीक है ना?
they
So
can
this
be
means
sued through
intra-head
persons
means
managing them.
intra-head
For
adjustment
example,
means
deity ideologies
intra-head
which are
adjustment
managed
means
through pre-state
compensation of loss
university,
from same
ICAI
head
ठीक
of
है ना? So
income.
this means give the examples of artificial persons which are deity ideologies.
For
who are
example,
managed
adjustment
through
of
pre-state.
loss business A against a
universities
profit
में
from business
आता
B.
है artificial persons में
Inter-head
deity
adjustment.
ideologies आते हैं इसमें.
After making intra-head
तो
adjustment,
उसके बाद
if
है
any,
हमारे पास
the
previous
next
year
step
and
is to
estimate
make
year.
inter-head adjustment. If in any year the
previous year
taxpayer
or
has
estimate year
incurred loss
क्या
under
इसको
one
कहते
head
हैं?
of income and having income
previous year
under
it is
other
the
head of
financial year
income,
in which the
तो आपने
SSC
समझा?
earns income.
If in a year
ठीक है ना?
the
Previous
taxpayer
year
has
क्या है?
incurred loss
It is the financial
under
year
one
in which
head
the
of
SSC
income
earn
and
income.
is having income
The previous
under
year
other
can
head of
be
income,
less than 12
then he
months.
can adjust the
Assessment
loss
year.
from
It is
one
the
head
financial year
against
in which the income
from
earned by the
other
SSC
head.
during the previous year is
Other
evaluated
head.
or
What means
assessed and
interest
taxed.
means
तो
same
assessment
head,
year
interest means different heads.
evaluation year भी कह सकते हैं.
For
Assessment
example,
year
loss
is the
under the head
financial
of
year in
house
which the
property
income
to
earned
be
by
adjusted
SSC
against
during the
salary
previous
income.
year is
ठीक है ना?
evaluated or assessed and taxed. The assessment year should be 12 months.
Carry
The previous
forward
year
of
जो है,
losses.
it can be less
Many
than 12
times
months.
it may
but
happen that
assessment year
after
must be
making
12
intra-head
months.
and inter-head adjustment, still the loss remains
तो उसके बाद आपने याद रखना होगा
unadjusted. Such unadjusted losses can be
उसके
carried
बाद आपने
forward to
याद
next
रखना
year
होगा,
for adjustment against subsequent years' income. Income tax deductions. Income tax
tax avoidance and tax
income
evasion.
tax
ठीक है ना?
deductions.
Tax avoidance
The
and
income
tax
tax
evasion.
deductions
Tax
are contained
avoidance
in
क्या
which
होता है?
part
Tax
in which
avoidance
chapter
is
of
also called
income
tax reduction.
Act
तो
तो
आपने
आपने
tax
बोला,
avoidance
the
is
income
also
tax
called as tax
deductions
reduction.
are
तो आपने
contained
tax
in
avoidance
which chapter of income
tax
tax
avoidance
Act,
जो है
chapter
जिसको हम tax
chapter
reduction भी
6.
कह सकते हैं. The tax avoidance can also be called
ATC.
as tax
तो
reduction
आपने
because
the
the reducing of
ATC
tangible
section
income
80C
to
of
pay the
income
lower
tax
rates of
act
tax
to
by
organize the
taking
section
legal measures. So
80C.
this means the tax
The-
avoidance can
to
be
organize
taken
the-
by
the
can be
sec-
taken
the,
by
section
legal
of
measures,
80C
ठीक है ना? So this means it is legal. So
Income
the
Tax Act
avoidance can
1961
also be called as
deals with
tax
deduction on investments.
reduction, ठीक है
बहुत
ना?
important
Tax
question है।
reduction. तो आपने सुना the tax avoidance is also
The
called
section
as
80C
tax
80C
reduction,
deals
ठीक है ना?
with इसके बाद deduction
Because
on
in tax
investments.
avoidance reducing in tax
तो आपने
avoidance
the section
reducing
80C
the tangible income.
which section of
तो आपने सुना
which
sorry,
section of Income Tax Act deals with
tax
the
avoidance के इसको
deals
कहते हैं हम
with the
tax avoidance
deduction on
avoidance can also be called as tax
बहुत
reduction
important। पहले आपने
because
याद होगा
the tax avoidance is
the
the reducing
income tax deduction। तो
is the
आपने
reducing of
which chapter
is the
of
reduction
Income
of
Tax Act
taxable
deals with
income
the
to pay
income
the
tax
lower rate
deduction
of
for
tax
chapter 5
by
chapter 6 sorry
taking legal measures
income
ठीक है ना?
tax
So this means
deductions or contained in
reducing
which
the
chapter तो आपने
taxable
income
income to
tax
pay lower
deductions
rates
or contained
of
in which
tax by
chapter
taking legal
6
measures.
of Income Tax
Tax
Act।
evasion क्या है? Means concealing
बनता
or
है
hiding income and
which
information
section
from the
of
authorities. So
Income
this means
Tax
tax
Act
evasion
deals
क्या
with
है?
the deduction on
Meaning
investment
hiding
which
income ठीक है ना?
section
The tax evasion
of
means
Income Tax
hiding
Act
income
deals
and
with
information
deduction on
from
investments
tax
इसके बाद
authorities.
section
It's illegal. Tax evasion is illegal.
So the means
तो
section
आपने याद
80C
होगा,
deals with
tax
deduction
evasion
on
means
investments.
hiding or concealing
The
income
maximum
or
tax
information
exemption
from the
limits under section
authorities
80C
illegally.
is rupees
उसके बाद हैं
1.5 लाख only। तो आपने रुका as per section
Part
80C
two.
the maximum
Part 2 में हम
tax
पढ़ेंगे residential
exemption
status
limit
and
under section
citizenship
80C
status.
is rupees 1.5 lakh only. The various investments or expenses that can be claimed as a tax deduction under 80C are as PPF
पार्ट 2 जो है इनकम टैक्स का वो है, इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे रेजिडेंट, ऑर्डिनरी, नॉट ऑर्डिनरी, नॉन रेजिडेंट। पहले हम बात करेंगे रेजिडेंशियल स्टेट्स के बारे में। सिटीजन किसको कहेंगे हम? अ पर्सन हु इज अ मेंबर ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर कंट्री हु हैज राइट्स बिकॉज़ ऑफ बीइंग बोर्न देयर। रेजिडेंट, अ पर्सन हु लिव्स समवेयर परमानेंटली और ऑन लॉन्ग टर्म बेसिस इज कॉल्ड अ रेजिडेंट। अ पर्सन हु लिव्स समवेयर परमानेंटली और ऑन ए लॉन्ग टर्म बेसिस इज कॉल्ड अ रेजिडेंट।
तो आपने PPF stands for
residential status. The determination of residential status of a person is very important for the purpose of
public
charging of income tax. Since income tax is charged based on the residential status of a taxpayer or assessee.
Is contained in
Residential
chapter
status
of
can be
Income Tax
is divided into resident and non-resident. Residential status as per residential status.
Which section
as
of
per
Income
residential
Tax
status,
Act?
a person can be resident or
Which section of
non-resident.
Income
The
Tax
resident
Act
can be
deals with
ordinary
deduction on
resident. The
investment
resident
section
is further
80C.
divided into ordinary resident and not ordinary
Section
resident.
80C
पहले बात करेंगे
deduction on
रेजिडेंट के बारे में।
investments.
A taxpayer would qualify as a resident of
the
India
maximum
if he
tax
satisfies
the maximum
one of the following
as
two
per
conditions.
section
So,
80C,
a
the
taxpayer
maximum
would qualify
tax
as a
exemption
resident
limit
किसको हम कहेंगे? A
under
taxpayer
तो
a
आपने
taxpayer would qualify as a resident of
under
India if he
section
satisfies
80C,
one of the following two
maximum
conditions.
tax
Number one,
exemption
stay in
is
India for a year
only.
is तो आपने कहा stay
The
in
various
India.
investments or
Stay in
expenses
India
that can be claimed as
stay
tax
in India
deductions
for a
under
year
section
is
80C or
182
as
days or more in the
और
previous year.
PPF
तो आपने
Public Provident Fund EPF stands for
रेसिडेंट हम
Employees
किसको कहेंगे?
Provident Fund
If a person has
EPF,
stayed in
तो आपने
India,
पहले
तो आपने
PPF
रेसिडेंट
stands for
किसको हम
Public
कहेंगे?
Provident Fund
If a person has
EPF
stayed in
stands
India
for Employees
for a year,
Provident
तो आपने
Fund
हुआ
NSC stands for National
resident हम
Saving
किसको कहेंगे?
Certificates
If a person
NSC
has stayed
stands
in
for
India
National Saving
around
Certificates
182 days
NSC
in a year
stands
or
for
more, तो आपने
National
कहा
Saving
if a
Certificates
person has stayed in India
Principal
for 182
repayment of
days
home
or
loans
more in the
NPS
previous
stands
year,
for
तो आपने
National
कहा
Pension System
if a person तो रेसिडेंट किसको कहेंगे हम?
deals with
तो आपने
तो
if a person has
deals
if
with
a person तो रेसिडेंट किसको कहेंगे हम? टू कंडीशंस फॉलो करना चाहिए रेसिडेंट, ठीक है ना?
that is
पहला
National
क्या है?
Saving Certificate
a
Principal
resident
repayment of
a
home
person
loan
who
NPS
has stayed
that is
in India
National Pension System
for
tuition fees,
182 days
etc.
or more in the previous year, ये एक कंडीशन है। दूसरी कंडीशन है
Section 80D
stay in India
deduction of
for
premium
a person
paid for
who stays
medical
in India
insurance.
for immediately 4
Section
preceding years
80D
is 365 days.
Section
तो आपने
80D deals with deduction of
if a person stays in India for immediately
deals with
4
deductions
preceding
for the
years,
premium
4
paid
preceding
for
years, तो
medical
आपने कहा
insurances.
पहली क्या
बहुत important question
ये
है,
रेजिडेंट्स
Section
के लिए
80D.
क्या कंडीशन है? पहली if a
Section
person stays in
80D
India for
deals with, तो
182
आपने
days
देखा,
or more
Section
in
80D
previous year
means
हो गया ये
doctor, that
resident
means medical. So this is
तो आपने
Section
देखा
80D
a
deals with
person can
deduction
be
for the
said
premium paid
resident
for
of India,
medical
तो आपने
insurance.
Section
A
a person can be said
80E,
resident of
E for
India if he
education,
stays
E
in
for
India
education,
for
that's
182
80E.
days or more in the
Deduction
previous
for
year,
interest
ये होगी
on
एक कंडीशन।
education
दूसरी
loan for
कंडीशन
higher
है
studies.
a
Tax-
person is
tax
said to be resident
deduction can be
of
claimed
India
under Section 80E for
if he
interest
stays
that
in
is
India
paid
for
towards your
immediately
education
4
loan.
preceding
Loan should
years
be taken
is
for higher education
365
for
days
you, your
or
spouse
more,
your
तो आपने
children,
देखा,
for
a person
students,
is said
for
to be
whom you
resident if he
legal
stays in
guardian,
India
your legal guardian,
immediately
principal
for
repayment on
immediately 4
education
preceding
loan, ठीक है?
years low limit of
for
interest
preceding
you can claim
years
as
or
deduction.
more
No limit on
and
amount of
60
interest
days
you
or
claim
more
as
in the
deduction.
relevant previous year.
Deduction is
If
available
both
up
the
to
above conditions are not
maximum 8
satisfied,
years.
then the
तो
individual is
education में क्या है?
non-resident.
Deduction is available for a
Governing
maximum 8
अकद
years
दशी दह
till
खत
the
ज्यादा
interest
युस
is
रोज
paid.
तस वन रेजिडेंट दोयम कंडीशन छ 4 कंसेक्यूटिव ईयर आसन गुजरमत तमिस हेकस वनित रेजिडेंट अगर न हम कंडीशन फॉलो करे पर्सन की तस हेकस वनित नॉन रेजिडेंट
ATG G for donations, that deduction in respect of
resident can
donations.
be ordinary resident
तो आपने पहले
or
याद
not
रखना होगा
ordinary
आपके लिए
resident ये पर याद होता है
ATC,
resident can be
C for investments,
ordinary
C for
resident
cash
or
and D,
non
that is
ordinary
deduction on
resident
investments. Section 80C deals with investments, ठीक है ना, investments. Deduction on investments. Section 80C deals with deduction on investments.
So this
Section
means
80D
a
deals with
taxpayer
the
would
premium
qualify as a
for
resident of India if he
deductions for
satisfies
the
one of the
premium
following
paid
two
for
conditions.
medical
That
insurance.
is,
Section
if a
80E
person
for
sub
education
पोड
deduction
अकद
for
दशी दह
deduction
को ज्यादा या 4
for
प्रोसीडिंग या
interest on
कंटिन्यूअस
education
ईयर्स
loan.
ठीक है ना तो ये हो गई एक कंडीशन उसके बाद ऑर्डिनरी रेजिडेंट ऑर्डिनरी रेजिडेंट a resident individual will be treated as ordinary resident in India during the year if he satisfies both of the following conditions.
तो आपने Section 80
This means
TTS,
a resident individual will be treated
saving
as
bank
an
interest,
ordinary
TTE.
resident in India during the year if he
Section
satisfies both of the
80
following
TTE
conditions. Number
deals with deductions or saving bank interest.
ordinary resident
This
खतर
section
क्या
provides
condition
deduction
छ
on the interest earned on your
if a person
savings
if a
account with
person
bank,
तो आपने
cooperative society
पहले
or post
ordinary
office
resident
up to rupees 10,000. No deduction of
if a person is resident in India for at least तो आपने होगा पहली कंडीशन क्या है ordinary resident के लिए if a person is resident in India for at least 2 years out of 10 years immediately preceding the relevant year ठीक है ना यानी गोनी क्या है 10 वरी मस कम से कम गस आसन दोन वरी रोज अख पर्सन तस वन रोज हिंदुस्तान सु तस वन इज ordinary resident दोयम कंडीशन छ एमस
deduction is up to rupees
if a person stays in India for 30 days that is 7 or more during 7 years immediately proceeding in relevant year तो गणित कंडीशन छ ordinary residents खतर 10 वरी मस गसन एम कम से कम आसन
special section for
10 वरी मस जवरी दि तो ordinary resident या 7 वरी मस 7
TDB
तो पज याद थाउन
the section
10 वरियन मस 10 वरियन मस जवरी
income tax to some
10
extent
10 वरी इसमें ordinary resident
or
कस
few
वन
of the following
दस
interest
शख्स
bank
जिन
deposits
10 वरी मस कम से कम जवरी आसन गुजर हिंदुस्तान सु तस वन इज ordinary residents इज 10 मस टोटल at least जवरी या दोयम कंडीशन छ
rebate under section 87A
7 वरी मस
rebate is
ठीक है ना
given under which section इसमें 87A
यम एक शख्स 7 वरी मस कम से कम 7 दह आसन गुजर में हिंदुस्तान मस तस वन
tax rebates
या
can be claimed under
ordinary
section
resident ठीक है ना
87A.
if the person
That's why
satisfies none
financial
or
year
any
सास
one of the above condition
तो आपने
then he becomes
rebate
resident
under
but
section
not ordinary
rebate
resident
is rebate comes under which section याद आपने
तो this means residential status
rebate
stay in
is
India
which
more
section
than
of income tax act deals with
previous
rebate
years
इसका सब 87A
दोयम कंडीशन छ एमस shared दो in
rebate
previous
किसको दिया
years
जाता है tax rebates can be claimed under section 87A and the following conditions are met
जिन्हें भी ब्याह छ
rebate किसमें दिया जाता है must be the resident
proceeding
individual
years
of India must be resident individual of India the limit of rebate is 12,500 if the total payable tax is less than this the amount will be taken as the rebate this rebate will apply to the total tax before the education cess of 4% added total income less deduction should be equal to less 5 lakh उसके बाद है सरचार्ज A surcharge or additional charge is essentially a tax charged on a tax. तो आपने a surcharge क्या है? A surcharge is an additional charge. तो आपने a surcharge or is an additional charge which is essentially a tax which is तो आपने a surcharge is an additional charge which is charged. So this means a tax charged on tax is called a surcharge ठीक है ना so this means a tax charged on tax a tax charged on tax a tax charged on tax is called surcharge ठीक है ना it is calculated on non payable tax it is calculated on payable tax